Hi, it's Jen, and today we're going to be talking about describing. So if you notice, we've got a bunch of objects behind us, and we're going to be describing, talking about what category they belong to, what it looks like, what you do with it, the different kind of parts it has, what it's made of, and where you might find it. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of these with you, then I'm going to have you practice the rest with someone in your house. So here I go. I'm going to show you how it works. The first one I'm going to pick is a bicycle because that's one of my favorite things. So I'm going to talk about the category. And I know a bicycle is something that takes me places. So it's a type of transportation. That's the category that it belongs to. What does it look like? If I look at this bicycle right here, it looks like it's black and blue. It has some round wheels and also some tubes that are a part of it, right? What do we do with it? I have to make sure that I get on my bicycle and pedal it so that I can go all different places, maybe to school or the park. Let's see, the next one is, what are some parts that it has? So I know a bicycle has handlebars up here. It has gears and pedals and wheels and tires down here. It also has a seat up here. So those are just some of the parts that a bicycle has. The next question is, what is it made of? Bicycles are made of metal, and they also have rubber on the tires. The last question is, where do you find it? So I know I could find a bicycle somewhere like Target. I could find my bicycle in my bike shed. And you might also find a bicycle locked up outside somewhere. Those are some places where you might find a bicycle. All right, let's try another one. That was a lot of good information about bicycles, wasn't it? The next one we're going to do is book. A book belongs to different kinds of things that we read, right? It might go in the category along with magazines or newspapers. So that's where a book belongs. What does it look like? I would say a book looks maybe like a rectangle or a square a lot of times. What do we do with it? We read it, right? What are the parts that it has? So I know that a book has a front, it has a back, it has a spine on the side here, and in the middle, it's got pages. What is it made of? Books are usually made of some kind of paper. Sometimes the covers are made of something else, but mostly paper. And the last question, where can we find it? Where can we find a book? I know I can find books on my shelves. I can find books at school. I can find them at the bookstore or the library, right? So we just gave a bunch of good information about books. So now it's your turn. I'm going to have you pause the video here so you can look at these pictures and then also practice describing, answering each of those questions up at the top about the objects on this page. Good luck.